guys, what's up? I'm Ansel Shah and I'm back with some more interesting stuff after a very long time indeed, and I heartily apologize for it. I was busy with some most important stuff and a lot of things have passed through, but finally I'm here bringing up this video to you so that you could learn something new and captivating. So without any further ado, let's get into it. So I'm pretty sure that you might have heard about perpetual motion somewhere in physics, and even if you have not, then just sit back and relax because I'm going to tell you about it in this video. In technical terms, a perpetual motion is a motion of bodies that continues indefinitely. A perpetual motion machine is a hypothetical machine that can do work indefinitely without an energy source. This kind of machine is impossible as it would violate the first or second law of thermodynamics. Now, this definition was for all those physics geeks, and I know most of you out there are not those. So, in simpler words, perpetual motion is a kind of motion which will go on forever once started without any kind of energy provided to it. There are many videos out there which show you the projects based on perpetual motion, and they also seem to go on forever, but the laws of nature does not allow this to happen because ultimately the source of energy they work on is finite and will soon run out. They only seem to work because the loss of energy in the system is very slow, and thus they work for a longer period of time, but unfortunately not forever. The most early perpetual machines include Boyle's self-flowing flask, monopole magnet, rolling ball wheel, and many more that are based on different types of principles. So for all those of you guys who understand physics, there are three problems in making a perpetual machine. Firstly, it should not contain any moving parts, since when these parts rub against each other, they waste energy in the form of friction. Second, the device should be operated in vacuum. Again, this refers to the first point about the waste of energy as friction with air. And lastly, the machine should not produce any sound, as it is also a type of energy and it is wasted in that form. Now, without being truthful, if I suppose that even if we are able to make such a machine and it will work till big freeze, then it's still not going to work as a source of infinite amount of energy, because we would only be able to harvest the same amount of energy that was initially required to start the motion. So the machine won't be able to create energy, since it's impossible according to the law of conservation of energy. So this machine is useless and a waste of time. And who knows, even if we become successful in making such a machine which gives free energy, then I'm afraid, my friends, the fundamental laws of physics will break and we will be proving ourselves wrong. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you liked the video and found it interesting. If there are any questions related to it, then you could ask them in the comment section. I would try to answer them as soon as possible. And you could also follow me on Twitter. The link will be down in the description. And stay tuned for upcoming updates. Bye-bye.